beach closed sign you're about to see just ahead. Don't worry about that. They just reopened the beach just for us. And you know why? They caught Jaws! Yeah. My good friend George. He caught him earlier today. In fact, he's still in the water. He's deep sea diving right now, making sure everything's safe for us. And there he is. They strung him up there on the dock. He is a police officer. That's his boat out there, George. And no, he caught the wrong shark. We gotta warn George. George, shark, George, where are you? Shark headed right for you. No. Oh, guys, no, don't look. No, don't look. You don't want to see that. All right, just stay calm. We're gonna take you over here by these gasoline tanks where it's safe. Oh, he's got the dock. He took the dock. He's still out there. Don't tell me you didn't see a big movie star here on the studio tour. Come on, let's give it up for Jaws, everybody. That is a legend. And he is celebrating a huge birthday this month. June 20th marks the 50th anniversary of Jaws. And you know, that's actually a replica of Bruce over there that you see in the water. Bruce is the mechanical shark from the production of Jaws, the hardest working shark in show business. But he didn't always work. In fact, when they were filming Jaws in the Atlantic Ocean in 1974, he hardly worked at all. So, it all